Welcome to our SWC channel. Follow us on www.swcksa.com. Subscribe to our channel.
How do businesses use lean manufacturing principles to improve efficiency? How do businesses use lean manufacturing principles to improve efficiency? Businesses use lean manufacturing principles to improve efficiency by focusing on minimizing waste and maximizing value. Here are some key ways they implement these principles. Value stream mapping. Businesses analyze their processes to identify value-adding and non-value-adding activities. This helps them streamline operations by eliminating unnecessary steps. Continuous improvement. Kaizen organizations foster a culture of ongoing improvement. Encouraging employees to suggest changes that enhance processes and reduce waste. Just-in-time (JIT) production. This approach minimizes inventory levels by producing only what is needed when it is needed. Reducing holding costs and excess production. 5S methodology. Businesses organize the workplace to improve efficiency and safety through sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Creating a more productive environment. Standardized work. Establishing standard procedures helps ensure consistency and quality. Making it easier to identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Visual management. Utilizing visual cues, like charts, dashboards, and color coding, helps teams quickly assess performance and identify issues at a glance. Pull systems. Instead of pushing products through production based on forecasts, pull systems respond to actual demand, reducing overproduction and excess inventory. Cross-training employees. By training workers in multiple roles, businesses enhance flexibility, allowing teams to adapt to changes in demand and share workloads. Root cause analysis. When problems arise, businesses focus on identifying and addressing the root causes rather than just treating symptoms. Preventing recurrence. Supplier partnerships. Building strong relationships with suppliers encourages collaboration and can lead to improved quality. Reduced lead times, and shared innovation. By implementing these principles, businesses can increase efficiency, reduce costs, enhance product quality, and improve customer satisfaction.